Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to deploy or create a Kubernetes cluster on Mac Mini using Codex Mobile app. Now let's create a folder by the name K8s Codex cluster on Mac Mini. Once it is created, go to Codex Mobile app and open that folder which we have created. Okay. Go to add new folder, then select the folder which we have created. Select it and click OK. Now give the prompt like create 3-node cluster, a Kubernetes cluster using kubeadm with latest version of Kubernetes, that is 1.36.1 on multipass tool or VMs. Okay. Now we have given the prompt from Codex mobile app. So it will take a couple of minutes to spin up the cluster. So you can see the workspace or the folder is empty. So it will create the files inside that folder, which we have created. So on the left side, we have that multipass tool. And on the right, we have Codex mobile app. So you can control your Mac Mini or any Windows machine or any Linux system through Codex mobile app and create the application or deploy any infrastructure with the help of this Codex mobile app. So it is asking for confirmation, just approve it. So you can see 5 files are created inside that folder. Just approve. Now it will create the cluster. Just approve it. So you can see control node is appearing in the multipass tool. So it's now up and running. Similarly, it will create other two nodes, that is the worker nodes. So you can see worker one is added. So it is up and running. Similarly, it will create the worker two node. You can see worker two is added. It is also up and running. So all the 3 nodes are up and running. And it will take some time to join these nodes to the cluster, to the control plane or the master node. You can see there are some error while creating the cluster or while joining the cluster. So just approve it to fix that error. So it will delete the cluster, the entire cluster which is created. Just approve it to fix that error. Approve. So it will delete the nodes which is created, the cluster which is created. Then it will again rerun the cluster script, the cluster creation script to create the Kubernetes cluster. So control plane is up and running. So we'll wait all the 3 nodes to be up and running. Now all the 3 nodes are up and running. It will take some time to join the nodes to the control plane. You can see all the 3 nodes have now version 1.36.1, like for kubeadm, kubelet, and kubectl packages. So approve the input from Codex mobile app. So the cluster is fully ready. Just approve the input from Codex mobile app. Okay. So approve it. So the Kubernetes cluster is created with 3 nodes.